Hello everyone, this is UPSC 2023 Agriculture Optional Question Paper. So the question is, write down the constraints of fruit processing industry in India. So it is of 10 marks question. So basically in this question we have to go through the constraints that our Indian economy is facing in context of the fruit processing industry. So first of all, we have to discuss what are the constraints and how we can overcome these constraints. So the fruit processing industry in India, though possessing immense potential due to vast food production and diverse agroclimatic conditions, it faces several constraints that limits its growth and competitiveness. In terms of fruits and vegetables, I think in terms of fruits, India is the third largest producer, but still in terms of export and processing parameters, our country lacks too much behind other developed countries. So there is an immense potential in respect of food processing industry if we tap this potential. So now these are the constraints, that is raw material constraint, irregular supply, high perishability and seasonal availability of fruits leads to the inconsistent raw material quality and quantity, and lack of the cold storage and the post harvest infrastructure results in high wastage around 20 to 30%. So first is raw material constraints, then technological limitations. Outdated processing equipments, low adoption of the modern technologies, and inadequate research on the product diversification hinders the efficiency and the innovation. Then third is infrastructure limitations, like there is a insufficient cold chain infrastructure, then transport facilities, refrigerated storage, which leads to the spoilage and the high operational cost. Then poor rural connectivity further adds to the logistical challenges. Then financial constraints, limited access to credit and high interest rates restricts the small and the medium processors. Then marketing and export issues, like lack of organized marketing channels limits the domestic demand. Stringent international quality standards like sanitary and phytosanitary measures and inadequate export infrastructure limits the global competitiveness. Then policy and regulatory gaps like complex licensing procedures, inadequate implementation of the food safety standards and poor coordination creates the inefficiencies. So these are some of the constraints that food processing industry in India is facing. So overcoming these constraints through improved infrastructure, technological modernization, value chain integration, and supportive policies can transform the India's food processing sector into the globally competitive and the value-driven industry. So these are the solutions like how we can overcome these constraints. Thank you and keep watching my videos.